Meaning of expenditure.
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 Expenditure. Expenditure refers to the amount of money that is spent on something, or the act of spending money on something. It can also refer to the total amount of resources that are used to accomplish a certain goal. The term is often used in business and economics to describe the cost of running a company or the expenses incurred during a specific project or period of time. Overall, expenditure is a crucial factor in determining the financial health and sustainability of an individual, organization, or society as a whole.